The new English intestacy rules came into force on the 1st of October 2014. But how do they affect you? Well, if you are cohabiting with a partner, regardless of how long you've been a couple or whether you have children together, there is no change whatsoever, and you run the risk of leaving your partner with absolutely nothing. If you are married with children, the law used to state that your spouse or civil partner would receive the first £250,000 of your estate. The children would be given half of the rest, with the other half being kept by the remaining spouse as life interest, handed down to the children when that spouse died. Now, the spouse is entitled to £250,000 plus half of the remainder. The other half is automatically made available to the children once they turn 18. What about married without children? Well, where once the surviving spouse was entitled to £450,000 and half of the rest, with the other half going to blood relatives, beginning with parents, the spouse will now receive the proceeds of the entire estate. A loophole in the law, which used to indicate that children who were subsequently adopted after the death of one or both of their parents could potentially lose their inheritance, has been closed. This now means that they will receive their inheritance, even if they go on to be adopted by someone else. Well, as mentioned earlier, unmarried couples run the risk of leaving their partner without any inheritance whatsoever. If there are no children from the partnership, the deceased's entire estate goes to blood relatives, parents, siblings, nieces and nephews. If there are children, however, the same rules apply, except the children will be first in line to receive the inheritance. Although we always stress to all individuals the necessity of making a will, this is especially valid for couples who may have lived together for years and even had a family but never married. Please be aware that despite these new intestacy rules, if no will is in place, then your partner will receive nothing in the event of your death. We hope you found this information useful. Thank you for watching.